Hello student, today we are going to discuss about preparation of alcohols. What are the alcohols? See here, alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of alkane. This is one of the definition of alcohol. Here, for the preparation of alcohol, two things are needed. One is hydroxy group and another is hydrocarbon. In monohydric alcohol, one OH group is needed. In dihydric, two dihydric alcohol, 3 OH groups, and in polyhydric alcohol like sorbitol, 6 OH groups are needed. Students, see the first preparation of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol from alkene. We know there are two types of alkene. One is symmetrical alkene. See here. This is an example of symmetrical alkene. And there are also unsymmetrical alkene. In this way, both are the alkene. This is a symmetrical alkene and this is unsymmetrical alkene. When we add acid into when we add water in the presence of acid into unsymmetrical alkene and into unsymmetrical alkene, then the addition of water molecule into the unsymmetrical alkene takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. We know the Markovnikov's rule. When an unsymmetrical reagent, here H2O is also unsymmetrical reagent because here H plus and OH minus ions are forms. When an unsymmetrical alkene is added into unsymmetrical reagent or unsymmetrical reagent added into unsymmetrical alkene, then negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon atom which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom. This is a part of the alkene which carries lesser number of hydrogen. Hence, negative part of the reagent, that means here H plus and OH minus. Here reagent, here water, and here negative part is added into this carbon atom. In this way, the Markovnikov's rule is followed. Negative parts added into that carbon atom which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom. See here the preparation of alkene. Here acid catalyze. This is acid catalyze. Hence here we write H plus ion on the arrow. Here alkene and H2O molecule, we added H2O molecule in the presence of acid, and in this way alcohols are formed. Here see here H and OH. Water means H plus and OH minus. H plus add here and OH minus add here, and in this way forms this alcohol. Here see here, in this way the alcohol is formed. The mechanism of this formation of alcohol takes place 3 steps. First step is protonation. Protonation of alkene takes place in the presence of acid. The H plus ion from the acid combine with water and forms H3O plus. The H plus ion combine with acid and forms H3O plus, and see here this H3O plus added into alkene. Here this is an example of ethene. This H3O plus added into alkene. Here this H plus is added into this carbon atom and H2O plus is added into here. But when we add the H plus into this carbon atom, this bond get broken and here single bond is developed and the tetravalency of carbon is disturbed, and hence here this carbon acquires positive charge. This carbon acquires positive charge and H2O is replaced. Here carbocation is formed. This is a first step. In second step, nucleophilic attack of H2O is occur. Here H2O is attack on carbocation. See here the lone pair of oxygen forms the bond between carbon and H2O. See here, this bond is formed by due to the lone pair of oxygen which is present in water molecule, there are two lone pair. See here, out of the one lone pair, bond is formed. We know that for the formation of one bond, two electrons are needed. One lone pair forms the one bond, and hence here bond is formed and the positive charge remain as it is. Hence, in third step, deprotonation occur to form the alcohol. See here, CH3CH2, CH3CH2, and for preparation of alcohol, this hydrogen is extra. Hence, deprotonation occur. This hydrogen combine with H2O and forms H3O plus, and in this way, ethyl alcohol is formed. This is the mechanism of addition of H2O molecule in the presence of acid into alkene and formation of alcohol. Thank you.